Hello everyone, I'm delighted to have the opportunities to present my final year project here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cheng Xin Ying, metric number 050433, currently taking the course Bachelor of Information Technology, Media Informatics with honors. Today, I would like to present my FYP named FarmLifeVR. FarmLifeVR is a virtual reality application created using Unity Engine platform. Many people can't gain access to a real farm because of various issues. In use of VR technology, we will bring users to explore the farm life in totally different experience compared to static 2D and 3D image. It was designed for those who have strong desire to explore. It enables users to explore farm environment using VR headsets and enhance the experience of the user. The main theme of the farm is animals. Users can learn from animals in totally immersive way, just like they are in a real farm. The contribution of this project was let users recognize all kinds of animals and appreciate the beautiful countryside landscape. Users work their knowledge, learning about more farm animals in more interesting and totally immersive way. The objective of the project was first to design VR application that will enhance user experience and provide knowledge of farm animals. Second, to develop a working and qualified VR application. Third, to test the functionality of the entire application. The framework of this project was user connect the application with smartphone and VR headset. Then the application will return the 3D environment to the user. The software I've used to build my 3D model was Autodesk Maya, and for the 2D element I'm using Adobe Illustrator, Paint Tool Site, and the coding part I'm using the combination of Notepad++ and Microsoft Visual Studio. So let us enter the demo of my farm. It was Android-based virtual reality application, but for clearer vision, I'm using my laptop to show the demo. So we are entering our main menu pages. This is some short introduction about my farm. This is the credit page. And this is some instruction of how to play the game. It has 3 interaction techniques in here, which is direct user interaction, which means user can change the head for side of changes. And we have physical control, which we use gamepad to change the movement of our player and some function. And finally, we have virtual control included gaze click interaction, so we can stare at a button and interact with them. Like this, every kind of animals was camera workers that can be found in front, and we can talk to them by stare at a top button. And we have a map in our system which user can press X to open it and press Y to close it. And we can exit the application by guess interact with the exit. So let's start our game. So we are entering our farm, and we can control the movement by our left joysticks, which we can up, down, left and right. And we can open our map by pressing the X button here and close it by pressing the Y button here. User can start at the main menu button here to return to the menu pages. And let's go to our very first farm, the navigation. So we are going to chicken coop. In our game, we have the box collider, which means user cannot pass through the objects of most objects in our farm. So we are entering the chicken coop here. We can talk to the farmer here.